Every organization has a set of identified and unidentified vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities might or might not be exploited by a threat actor, but there is always a potential that a threat actor might try to exploit that particular vulnerability, right? So, as an organization, we need some management process. We need some process which would help us reduce the risk if a vulnerability is exploited. Okay, that is where risk management comes into play. So risk management is simply a process which refers to managing a risk. There are 4 steps involved in a risk management process. Number 1 is to identify, where the organization identifies potential risk or vulnerabilities within the organization. Then we have analyze. Analyze is where we prioritize risk. Okay, we basically differentiate which risk is of high priority and which risk is of low priority, depending upon what's the potential outcome and how easy it is to exploit that particular vulnerability. Third step is to mitigate, where we basically fix the identified issues or identified vulnerabilities. And fourth is to monitor. This refers to monitoring the patch that has been put into place in order to check if the fix is working properly or not.